You not only walk away with the learning that you've learned something really new, but you're also inspired to put that to work. And I think that is something that you get in an MBA classroom that you don't get in anywhere, and precisely what you get in an MBA's MBA classroom.
Melbourne Business School is in Melbourne, so the location is a unique feature that we offer. We're located at the intersection between Intellectual Centre, which is Melbourne University, and the business world, which is Melbourne CBD.
Melbourne, being as livable as it is, was amazing for me. Getting around is so easy. I love it. It's just a great city. Everyone's so friendly.
Capabilities, connectivity, and credibility. We design the curriculums to provide them with those kind of skills.
It's very focused on decision making and making informed decisions, but very practical because it's based on real life cases. There is industry partners that we bring in for guest lectures, and then there's a lot of activity, in-class discussion, debates, because we're training them to be managers and future CEOs.
So another thing that's unique is our personal effectiveness program, which we call PEP. PEP is unique in the sense that it's taught by people that have actually done these things. It's designed to teach you the skills that you need to have to compete and win in the local job market. The rules of the game are networking with our alumni and the companies you want to work for doing what they do. And they essentially help back you into opportunities. So our alumni network is extremely important to us.
The diversity in the classroom was everything. I think MBS has amazing professors, and that's great. What I will not forget are the discussions that we had in the classroom. And just to hear the different perspectives, and they'd approach problems in ways that I would never have thought of approaching them.
Being part of the program, students will learn a lot from their classmates.
What an MBA classroom gives you is the people in the room, the conversations that you are having, the way you challenge each other, world-class faculty, cutting-edge latest research that we bring into what we teach.